Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by bringing the exact emoji into Capcut, get a transparent PNG for clean color edits. Once imported, place it above your main clip on the timeline and scale to desired size. Make sure you keep an original backup layer. Duplicate the emoji clip now, because you'll use one copy to shift color and one as a reference. This avoids accidental, irreversible edits. From here, move the playhead to where the emoji sits and prepare to open the overlay controls for color adjustment. Now you change the hue. Select the emoji overlay and open Adjust or Color Settings. Increase hue slowly until tones shift to blue, then raise saturation to recover vibrance and tweak brightness or contrast so details remain readable. If only parts should be blue, apply a mask, draw or feather it, then adjust the mask sections separately. Once done, compare to the backup layer to confirm accuracy. Make sure edges stay sharp. Use feather sparingly so the emoji looks natural against your video. To finish, render a short preview and inspect the blue emoji across different scenes. Consistency matters. If colors shift or look muddy, use curves or color balance to target highlights and shadows. This refines the blue without redoing hue. Once satisfied, export your final video. If you see banding or color artifacts, undo extreme hue jumps and lower saturation, or re-import a higher quality PNG. One key troubleshooting tip. If the emoji edges look jagged after color changes, reapply a slight feather to the mask or use a sharper source PNG to fix it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.